to no inches DIY. So what I've got outside and I'm going to plumb up is 4 IBC containers, in America IBC totes. So I've got these. This is a IBC thread to 25mm thread, not inch thread, 25mm. So we go 4 of those, top tanks, bottom tanks. This is going to be to a pressure line that runs from the top tanks down to the bottom tanks. This is going to be on the bottom, and on the line that connects the 2 bottom tanks, 2 taps. Now, for some reason, the taps I've got totally different. So this has got the big hose size and the bigger thread type. The smaller tap here is the smaller one and the smaller thread type, so there's an adapter here. So it's not going to match, it's not going to look perfect, but when you see me glue it up, it definitely won't look perfect. So my next video at another date will be me putting this all together.